Hey, Shimrit. Hey, Shimrit, it's great to see you again. I am so excited for you. And can you just tell me about what happened earlier today?
Yes, sure. I had an amazing opportunity to pitch to Richard Branson, as a part of Pitch to Rich competition. After being shortlisted, I was one of 5 pitchers, and he chose me for ECOncrete and for our work as the winner of the competition. It was under basically an event where Virgin Atlantic has launched their line between Tel Aviv and London. So that was kind of the background of the event, and it was done in collaboration with one of Israel's main business newsletters, Kalkalist. And so it was a joint event for basically highlighting Israel innovation. And happily, EConcrete and our environmentally sensitive concrete won.
That is so awesome. So do you have any idea how many companies actually submitted interest in doing the pitch or no?
Yeah, they said over 100 initially,
Wow.
and
Wow.
then 5 were shortlisted, and we got it. Yeah.
And so you had to go up there, and how long did you have to pitch?
I had 3 minutes and like a
3
2-minute
minutes.
Q&A. Yeah, so very sharp. And I think, well, our story is very much focused on the issue, the pain of climate change and humans having to cope with those implications. And I think that really talked to him, touched a sensitive nerve, I think, even. I know he's a great environmentalist and ocean enthusiastic, so
Yeah.
it was perfect. Yeah.
Oh, well, I know he's got so many different angles that he's working on in this whole area. And so the fact that, that you're situated in this climate mitigation piece, and I mean, it's fantastic. I am so happy for you.
Thank you. And thank you for the support.
I just wanted to reach out today and make sure that I got to talk to you and congratulate you. So now what's next? So they're going to be working with you on investing in the company and taking it further, or how does that work? Or do you know?
Well, they didn't commit to an investment. At the moment, we have premium class tickets with Virgin Atlantic to London for myself and for Ido Silla, my co-founder. And we're going to go there to an event. They're going to give us some mentoring and then probably an opportunity to pitch again. I think CEO of Virgin Atlantic is going to be mentoring us. So overall, a very good exposure, and hopefully also looking into an investment.
That is so cool. Well, I am so happy that you got this news, and so I'm going to share it as far as I can because I think what you're doing is pretty cool. So thank you again for making the time, and I hope to stay in touch as you get bigger and across the world with your technology.
We really, really hope that this will help and give us a push so that really we can give our solution to any coastline and any coastal community that needs us.
That's awesome.